When I met my wife of 2 years, Sandra, my life was still a mess. Not like a movie, a real mess. I was broken, working on my sobriety, trying to repair my health, trying to lose weight, trying to rebuild this, trying to figure out who the F I was. Just come out of living in an RV for 5 years, and honestly, even though I was improving physically, emotionally, I was a basket case. So much regret, so much shame, so much loneliness. I don't even know why I did this, but one of my goofy friends was like, you need to get on a dating site. So I got on Facebook dating, changed my entire life. I was expecting zero, because somehow during all the chaos, the healing, the rebuilding, I met Sandra. And I want people to hear this carefully. This is super important. She did not show up before I got my shit together and started healing. Super important. A lot of us are waiting for somebody else to save us. All the good stuff that happened to me until I started to heal. None of that started until I started to do the work. Not everything. I was still fixing myself, but I was trying, I was fighting. She saw my effort. I was getting sober, I was walking, losing weight, fixing my diet, working on me. Just trying to become a better version of me. Somewhere during all of that, life sent me this beautiful Colombian lady who didn't speak a word of English. I didn't speak any Spanish. Somehow, we built a life anyway. Sometimes we still, when we're talking, we still misunderstand each other, kind of all the time. I say things wrong, she says things wrong, we're both still learning each other's language. Sometimes it's funny, but yesterday, she said something that broke me emotionally. She looked at me and she said, "You are my home." Because there was a time in my life, I didn't have a home. I didn't feel at home inside my own self. I was lost. I was drifting, disconnected from my family, my friends, my kids. And now this tiny little Colombian lady, this beautiful being from South America, looked at me and she said, "You are my home." So I keep telling people, do the work, do the healing, get sober, face the trauma, work on your mind, learn some accountability. You have no idea what's waiting for you on the other side. Life doesn't become perfect, but if you start showing up, love and hope, recovery, sometimes you find somebody who can make the world feel safe again. Please follow along if you're starting over, if you're serious about rebuilding and would like some accountability or somebody to walk alongside with you. That's what I do. My contact information is below. It's erichobaugh@gmail.com. I did a full breakdown on my channel many times on how to rebuild your life, find love after devastation, rebuilding your life physically, mentally, emotionally. None of it happens without putting in the work. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.